Earn up to $180 in less than an hour, all without spending a lot of money. In this video, I'll show you how to use a free Google app to generate ideas and create content that can bring in extra cash. Step 1. Understanding the strategy. The first step is to grasp why this Google strategy and the free Google app are so effective. Alphabet's recent financial report shows that Google generated over $300 billion in a single year, capturing an impressive 91.5% of the search engine market share. Notably, 49% of US consumers use Google to conduct searches before making purchasing decisions. Step 2. Setting up Google Gemini. For the second step, visit Google and search for Google Gemini, then click on the first link at Gemini.com. The Gemini app is an innovative tool developed by Google that focuses on helping users create engaging content and streamline their creative processes. It uses advanced AI capabilities to generate ideas, scripts, and even visuals, making it a great resource for content creators, marketers, and anyone looking to enhance their online presence. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily input prompts and receive relevant suggestions, either you're brainstorming video ideas, writing articles, or crafting social media posts. Plus, since it integrates well with other Google services, you can easily incorporate your ideas into your existing workflow. Overall, Gemini is designed to make content creation more accessible and enjoyable. After that, check out the Faceless YouTube channel, named Easy Actually. Despite having only 8 videos and launching just 7 months ago, their first video has reached 1 million views, resulting in 600,000 subscribers from those 8 videos. There's no need for you to record videos or appear on camera. Step 3. Generate video ideas. In this step, take the prompt and copy the instructions for the free Google app, then return to Gemini.com and paste it there. This process involves compiling all the titles from their successful previous channel and asking the app to create 10 viral video ideas for your own channel. You will likely discover that these generated ideas will perform well. Step 4. Use Chat GPT for content creation. To get started, visit chatgpt.com and sign up for a free account. Next, see this PDF, which includes transcripts from the viral channel we previously talked about. In Chat GPT, upload that PDF file, and before pressing enter, include a prompt requesting a 3,000-word blog article titled "Building Confidence is Easy." Make sure to mention the keyword confidence at least once every 500 words. Since you've uploaded the transcripts, the AI will be able to grasp the channel's communication style and produce a more engaging script instead of a generic one. Step 5. Affiliate marketing with Audible next. Search for the Audible Creator Program on Google and sign up for free. Whenever you refer someone to Audible, a platform that offers audiobooks, you'll earn money. For instance, if a person signs up using your link, they can get a free book, and you'll earn $5. Additionally, you'll receive another $10 if they decide to purchase a membership. Step 6. Create a Medium account. The following step involves creating an account on Medium.com, a well-regarded platform known for its high authority. Medium.com is an online publishing platform that allows users to write, share, and discover articles on a wide range of topics. The platform emphasizes quality content and offers writers a place to publish their work, connect with readers, and build an audience. Users can follow specific writers, publications, or topics, making it easy to find content that interests them. Medium operates on a freemium model, where some articles are free to read, while others may be part of a paid membership that provides additional features and access to exclusive content. The platform is known for its clean design and user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both casual readers and professional writers. Here, you can discover blog articles on subjects such as how to build confidence. Once you've signed up, click the Write button, paste the title provided by Chat GPT, and add the rest of the article that was generated for you. Download images related to the book you're featuring, upload them to your post, and include your Audible affiliate link. This approach allows readers of your article to easily access the free book. Step 7. Start a Faceless YouTube channel. Here's the guide on how you can start a Faceless YouTube channel. You can establish a Faceless YouTube automation channel, similar to Easy Actually, by utilizing AI, which greatly streamlines the process. In addition to generating traffic to your affiliate links, you can also earn revenue from ads. For instance, I've experienced days when I made $800 from one of these channels, which has accumulated over $700,000 in revenue. Start by brainstorming a channel name using ideas from the free blueprint document. Next, apply for the YouTube Partner Program, which requires a Google AdSense account. You can create a Gmail account to link with Google AdSense, enabling you to monetize your YouTube channel. Once you have your Gmail, log into YouTube and set up your channel. For branding, visit canva.com to design a profile picture and channel art. After creating your profile picture, upload it to your YouTube channel and personalize your channel art. Then, use the prompts in the blueprint to generate a channel bio using Chat GPT, which you can easily copy and paste into your YouTube description. To write engaging video scripts, employ a specific prompt that I've been refining for months. Keep in mind that while many people believe AI can automatically produce perfect scripts, crafting a successful video requires considerable effort, which most viewers may not be willing to invest. After generating your script, you can use AI tools like 11 Labs for voiceovers. Simply input your script, choose a voice, and download it. For video editing, go to CapCut.com, upload your voiceover, and create visuals using Canva. Ensure your videos have multiple scenes to maintain viewer interest. Adding captions to your videos can further enhance viewer engagement. After editing, export your video in 1080p resolution. Lastly, cultivate a community around your niche using platforms like School, where top earners can generate thousands of dollars each month. So, in this video, you have learned that the process I outlined is a direct-to-the-point way to earn extra income online without the need for upfront investment, a website, or a large social media following. With just 15 minutes a day, you can utilize a free Google app to generate income, all while following a simple blueprint. By the use of AI, these are proven strategies and resources like Google Gemini, Chat GPT, and affiliate marketing through platforms like Audible. You can create content and potentially earn money through various streams, including ad revenue. I hope you found the insights shared in this video helpful and inspiring. Now, I want to hear from you. What strategies have you tried to generate income online? Did they meet your expectations, or do you have any tips that could help others in our community? Your experiences and thoughts are invaluable, so please share them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content that can help you maximize your earnings, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We have plenty of exciting and informative videos coming your way that can help you on your journey to profitability. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more insights right here on Profitability Plus.